Have you ever wondered where our electricity comes from? A question that sparks curiosity, doesn't it? Our world is powered by a diverse mix of energy sources, each playing its unique role. But did you know that nearly a third of the world's electricity, to be precise about 29%, is generated by renewable sources? Yes, you heard it right. Renewable energy, the clean and inexhaustible power of nature, is making a significant contribution. Picture this. Roaring waterfalls, gusty winds, radiant sunshine, and even organic waste materials. These are not just elements of nature, but powerful sources of renewable energy. Hydro, wind, solar, and biomass are lighting up homes, powering industries, and keeping the wheels of our world turning. Quite amazing, isn't it? So next time you flip a light switch, remember that there's a good chance that renewable energy is lighting up your room. A small switch with a big impact indeed. Opening. What if I told you that something on Earth can be hotter than the sun? Imagine a summer's day, the sun beating down, the temperature soaring into the 90s, maybe even crossing the 100-degree mark. That's hot, right? Now consider a volcano erupting, with lava temperatures reaching upwards of 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Scorching, isn't it? But what if I told you there is a natural phenomenon on our very planet that puts these figures to shame? Enter the bolt of lightning, nature's powerhouse, and one of the most spectacular displays of its might. This electric discharge, which lasts less than a second, reaches a temperature of approximately 50,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Yes, you heard that right. That's 6 times hotter than the surface of the sun, which sits at a mere 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. It's incredible to think that such intense heat can exist, even momentarily, within the relatively cool atmosphere of Earth. But it's this extreme temperature that ignites the air around the bolt, causing it to glow and creating the brilliant flash of light we associate with a lightning strike. Lightning is not just a symbol of raw, uncontrolled power. It's also a testament to the extreme conditions and phenomena that can occur right here on Earth, in our own backyards. Closing. So, the next time you witness a thunderstorm, remember, each bolt of lightning is a natural powerhouse hotter than the sun itself. Ever thought a country on Earth could be larger than a celestial body? Here's a thought that might stretch your imagination. Russia, the largest country on our planet, boasts a surface area that's actually larger than that of Pluto. Now, let's put that into perspective. Pluto, once classified as the 9th planet in our solar system, has a surface area of about 16.5 million square kilometers. But Russia? It's even bigger, stretching an impressive 17 million square kilometers. That's right, Russia is not just the colossal giant of Earth, but it even outshines a celestial body in terms of sheer size. Whether we're talking about the icy expanses of Siberia, or the bustling cosmopolitan cities like Moscow and St. Petersburg, Russia's vastness is nothing short of astronomical. So when we say Russia is big, we really mean it's out of this world big. Did you know that not all planets are solid like ours? Indeed, our solar system is a diverse neighborhood, hosting not just rocky planets like Earth, but also the magnificent gas giants. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are the titans of our celestial backyard, and they are quite different from our home planet. Let's start with Jupiter, the largest planet in the solar system. It's so big that over 1,000 Earths could fit inside it. Jupiter, like its fellow gas giants, is composed primarily of hydrogen and helium, the very same elements that make up our Sun. Next in line is Saturn, the ringed beauty. This planet is also largely composed of hydrogen and helium. Its iconic rings are made of ice and rock, showcasing the diverse materials found throughout our solar system. Uranus and Neptune, often referred to as the ice giants, are a bit different. While they also contain hydrogen and helium, a substantial part of their composition is made up of heavier volatile substances like water, ammonia, and methane. This gives them their distinctive bluish color. Now, when we say these are gas giants, it might give the impression that they are just big fluffy clouds floating in space. However, the reality is far more complex. The immense pressure inside these planets compresses the gas into a dense and hot core. So, while we live on a rocky planet, remember our solar system is home to these fascinating gas giants. Ever wondered what kind of ball was first used in basketball? Brace yourselves for an unexpected twist. When we think of basketball, we naturally picture the iconic orange ball with its distinctive black stripes. But would you believe that the sport didn't start off this way? Let's travel back in time to the year 1891. A Canadian physical education instructor named James Naismith was facing a dilemma. With winter gripping the outdoors, he needed to invent a game that his students could play indoors to keep fit and active. Armed with just a soccer ball and 2 peach baskets, Naismith unveiled a brand new game to his class. And thus, basketball was born. That's right, the first basketball wasn't a basketball at all. It was a soccer ball, a round leather-clad sphere that had already been bouncing across fields around the world for decades. And those first goals, they were not the netted hoops we know today, but rather simple, unassuming peach baskets. Naismith's original game had 13 basic rules and 0 dribbling. The soccer ball was passed between players with a clean catch being the only acceptable way to receive the ball. And when a player made a goal by tossing the soccer ball into the peach basket, someone had to manually retrieve it before the game could continue. Over time, the game evolved. The peach baskets were replaced by metal rims with netted chains. The soccer ball was replaced by a larger, more bounce-friendly ball, and the rules were refined to the fast-paced, high-energy game we know and love today. But at its heart, basketball remains a testament to Naismith's ingenuity and the simple, surprising origin of using a soccer ball and a pair of peach baskets. So, the next time you shoot some hoops, remember, the game you're playing has a fascinating and unexpected origin. From its humble beginnings in a gymnasium, basketball has certainly come a long way. The transformation of the game is a testament to the adaptability and creativity of humans. As we moved from peach baskets to metal hoops and soccer balls to basketballs, the game evolved and became more complex. But while the tools changed, the spirit of the game remained the same. It's a game of strategy, teamwork, and skill. It's a game that encourages physical fitness and promotes a healthy competitive spirit. And despite its evolution, the essence of basketball remains rooted in Naismith's original game. The game that was once played with a soccer ball and 2 peach baskets is now a global phenomenon, played in glittering arenas and watched by millions. But let's not forget its simple origins. Let's remember that at its heart, basketball is a game that was born out of necessity to keep students active during the cold winter months. It's a game that has stood the test of time and continues to bring people together regardless of their age, race, or social status. So, the next time you pick up a basketball, remember its humble origins. Remember the soccer ball and the peach baskets. And remember the spirit of the game, which has remained unchanged since 1891. And that's the beauty of basketball. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to @Mindblownfacts